Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video I'm going to take you through Euro Yen as the price has dropped significantly to the downside. So I'm going to show you some volume profile levels just for you to be aware of them and what kind of levels you could look at for opportunities. So why is Euro Yen interesting? Well, we are technically trending lower here. The market is making lower lows and lower highs, and price has recently come up into this area of interest here, which I believe we did discuss Euro Yen a while back and talked about this potential area of interest. Now this area of interest was something I wanted to watch out for because of some volume profile levels. So I'm just going to bring some volume profile stuff on here. Just going to open it out a little bit so you can see it in a little bit more detail. So what am I looking at? Well, on the left hand side we have weekly volume profiles on a 4-hour chart, and on the right hand side I have a 30-minute chart. Did that backwards then, but with daily volume profile. So basically just looking at the key areas from a day to day, as well as looking at the bigger levels on a weekly chart. And you can see that this week we spiked up into a very interesting level. We had this high volume node at 138.25 that price has respected. So we've had multiple touches of that level. We even had the CPI data out of the US, which caused a lot of volatility in the market. We saw price rally into that, and we've pushed to the downside. So I'm looking at this from a point of view, well, we're trending lower. We've come up into a high volume node. We've respected it. We've broken trend because market has made a new low below this 4-hour low. So if that's the case, is price going to continue to push to the downside? I think euro as well for me is a weak currency. I want to be a short trader of euro, so looking to take advantage of it against currencies that are getting stronger or strong. And the yen, like we said in yesterday's video, is the strongest currency of last week, but in a reversal zone. So you could look at it two ways. You either want to be still buying the strength or looking for the reversal. We were kind of looking for the reversal, but against euro you can still look for that strength because euro is a weak currency already. So looking for some further downside, and what I noticed was last week's volume profile, which is here, we have an untested point of control, which is at 136.14. So that makes me think that price may want to go and test that level. We may or we may not, but in the characteristics of the market at the moment, making those new lows, could we see price push towards this 136.14? Looking at the daily profile, obviously this profile hasn't finished yet. There's still time before the end of day closes, but looks to be like we're trading outside of the value area low. Now usually if price was to close and open outside of a value area low, that means we could see some further downside as well. So interesting thing to watch going into tomorrow. We have this value area low here that will be of interest. If price was, however, to break back within and just make a move higher, we have this really nice low volume area at 137.60. If price was to reject that area, I think we could see some further downside from this point. Also, we have point of control up at around 138. So very decent levels, a little bit higher up, that short sellers could come back into in the market. Okay, so looking for some potential downside into this 136.14 on the weekly profile, looking to see if price will stay below the value area low for an opportunity to the downside. Hope you enjoyed this video update. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.